The online format of the school has been great because, especially on the company that I work for, it's super demanding and I work like 12 hours a day. So it being asynchronous has been very helpful, and Canvas is an amazing platform, so we've been able to get all our assignments done with no issues. There's so much discussion in our classes that we really get to know ourselves as we're learning on class. So yeah, I've clicked with a bunch of people, and every time I come to LA, like we're hanging out, and it's been really fun.
We have online programs and hybrid classes as well. And for me, it's fantastic, as it is for a lot of my peers, just because it allows us to be able to work full time, be able to have classes on the weekends, and ultimately have the best of both worlds.
Our students love the online format. I mean, our students are very, very digitalized. I mean, we call them digital nomads. They're probably more technologically minded than we as professors and lecturers are. And we're always engaging with them 7 days a week. So it's a really cool learning environment that we're trying to create here at CIAM.